Hey Tova, what are we gonna do today? Tova, hey Tova, it's fun to learn and play. Hey, it's Tova! Tova, hey Tova, what are we gonna do today? Tova, hey Tova, it's fun to learn and play. Fun to learn and play. Hey Tova! What to do, what to do, what to do, what to do. It's the mystery map! It's the mystery map! It's the mystery map. A surprise for you and me. It's the mystery map. A surprise for you. The mystery map. A surprise for you and me. The mystery map. A surprise for you and me. Ooh. Where could this jaw be? Ooh. Where is this? Is it here? No. Here? Yes! It's glue! Glue! We did it! Oh, where could this be? A couch? I know! Yes! It sparkles! Sparkles! We did it! Wow! Where is this? It looks like a jar in snow. It must be outside. Let's look outside. I can't go outside like this. Oh! Yes! It's food dye! Food dye! We did it! Oh no, there's nothing here. Wait a minute. This doesn't look like the picture in the mystery map. Is this it? No. This looks like the picture in the mystery map. There's still nothing here. I know. Yeah. Yes. Activator. We did it. Now time for the best part. Mix it. Let's put the glue in first. Now let's put the food dye in. I wonder what we're making. Let's put the activator in. Time for sparkles. This is slime. Let's make more slime. I love slime. Let's make blue and white. And orange. And we can possibly make purple. And we can make yellow. And red. Look how much slime I made. Goodbye. Wait, don't leave yet. If you don't hit subscribe, you will never see me again. Hit subscribe.